All right, this is the thing I am most excited about. The Drotto catch and release boat latch. So I'm going to take this to the boat ramp, drop her in the water, and then replace this one. Busted anyway, so it's supposed to be a pretty easy install. I'll do a quick recording of it, and hopefully it doesn't take long. Here's the before and after on the box. It's got a quick release handle. We'll see how it goes. First, we're going to pull this thing off of here. Three-quarter socket, three-quarter wrench. Just to get mounted this way. It says to start with a closer hole. Just gonna pinch right down on there. It's snug, but not tight, so that we can still move it. There went my washer on the ground. This, I think I'm going to have to go home and hit with an impact, because I didn't really prepare for that. Pull it in there. We'll do the arm later. Okay, I think it clicked. Instead it came with a hammer. Clip. You back in, pull that, and it unlatches that.